Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change country in Wish. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wish app from your home screen. So once you tap open your Wish app, all you need to do is now tap on the menu option on the right hand side. Once you tap it on, you need to now tap on the settings option. So once you do this, you need to now tap on account setting, and from there tap on the country and region. Now you can select any of the country you are residing in from the drop down menu bar, and once you select the country accordingly, your country will be changed in your Wish app if you just scroll down backwards and see there in country and region. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Till then, thank you for watching.